Alright guys, we're back out in the garage here. It's actually been a couple days since I welded this quarter on. But it's all welded and grinded, ready for some mud. Back here, won't take much. It actually turned out really nice. Nice and flush. I will be doing the rear body and the dog leg when I do the trunk, so I'm going to wait on them. And on the door jamb, I did end up cutting this out. I did say I wasn't going to, but the previous owner that patched the quarter had the same idea, and it was kind of not very pretty, so I went ahead and cut it out. I hadn't welded the rocker in yet. I'm gonna wait to get my lower cowl welded. Finally came in. Get out of the light here. You can see there's a big old hole. There's all the pieces that they welded in. You can see them bad welds. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to cut it up here where it creases and go across nice and high, and we can get all that cut out. There's some holes in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a hole right there. Probably just going to try to fill that with some weld. It's going to probably take a little bit because it's probably thin. But I wanted to wait to weld the rocker in to, because I didn't know how the cowl welded on. But it looks like I'm going to probably go ahead and weld that rocker in, but I'm going to go ahead and put the cowl in first just to be safe. Try to get that done today, and the rocker welded and the door jamb, and then I can start doing the other side and getting it knocked out. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse and get started and get this thing hammered out. Alright guys, got this cowl welded in. Looks pretty lot better than what they did. All welded. Feels pretty good. Now I still gotta weld the rocker, and I'll probably end up making pieces that go here. I cut this out, and this one's rusted, so I'll probably either weld off of here or weld off of the actual cowl instead of the inner and weld it down here. This one goes to the pinch weld right here where the floor goes, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Now I just got this rocker to weld. Just weld it along there and here and here. And then on the back, weld the quarter to the rocker. Now I've got to make this piece because it was patched poorly. And then just make this little lip here, which hopefully it's not too difficult. I'll have the door shut when I do the cowl. And when I push the quarter in, it makes it level. I don't know if you guys can see that. So when I weld it, I'll tack it, push it to get that welded, get that door gap looking good. So it's coming along. I want to get this side done today so I can start on the other side and get that done and start knocking out some of these little stuff that's on the inside. So I'll put you back on the tripod and I'll get started on the rocker. Alright guys, I got this rocker and quarter done on this side. You can see I got the door jamb all welded up, just need some mud. Got the transition from the jamb to the rocker. That's all done. Got this side all done. Welded along there, which I gotta take the door off to grind that. But I'll weld it all at the bottom. The door fits pretty good. It's still out just a hair right here, but I could probably pound that in. I don't know how straight this door is, because you can line it up here. It sticks out just a smudge up top. If you put your door all the way in, this is flush, and then the door is sunk in right here. So I'm probably gonna wait to mud it until I get some new doors. That way I know for sure it's square. So I got this front done as well. So it's pretty much done on this side, rust wise, other than the door. So I'm probably gonna start doing the other side during the week or tomorrow.